Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to verify blockchain wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to that. Now when you did that, as you can see, we have a lot of things going on here. We have at the top our account and the DFI wallet from which you can go and change from. Also, in the bottom, we have the home screen, we have the prices and option to earn. So basically, these are the things that we also have. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and verify blockchain wallet. So what you need to do, guys, is go and follow these few steps, and it's pretty easy. So first of all, log into your wallet via the mobile app, and then in the top left corner click the profile icon and select account limits. After you did that, click get full access button to proceed with verification. Then you need to type your name and date of birth and click on next, and then type in your address or click add my address to manually fill address information and click next. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.